Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Macau. This particular street is in the Eon area. Map is behind me. You can see our road, which kind of has a funky name, and it's very Portuguese. There's the word marginal, which I kind of have a vague idea what it means, but it's not really, doesn't translate very well. And also Hipódromo. They seem to be kind of a, I don't know why they use that word. But anyways, I wouldn't mind having somebody describe why those what those words mean exactly and how they apply to this particular street, both Hipódromo and Marginal. But anyways, that's the name of the street. And we're just gonna walk up and down from the one end to the other and give you an idea of what it looks like through the camera lens, and in 2024, which is when I'm currently filming it, and just kind of see what it looks like. It's just another part of Macau. It's not too far from the border. That's too much explanation. You probably just want to see it, so let's just get into it. Macau. So there's certain areas I'm not sure if I have filmed. I usually don't film too much near the border. There's a lot of kind of interesting streets. Check out this. This is really cool balconies in this space. This is a little Estrada neighborhood streets. Really nice balconies. So what we're gonna do though is we're gonna go down this particular street down this way. And we're gonna meander all the way down. So this is Hipódromo, Marginal do Hipódromo. So stay tuned. So yeah, Hipódromo with all these cool balconies, some chairs out there as well. So we're gonna walk all the way down this particular street. Before we go down, there's also some other interesting streets over here. Interesting, also apartments too, kind of diagonal apartments. You can see some diagonal style apartments, diagonal windows, which is pretty interesting as well. This street will start out over there, but we're gonna walk down the length of it. And I believe this goes towards the border. A lot of activity because it goes up near the border as well. Lots of vegetables, fresh fruits and vegetables everywhere. And I don't know if that's also because of the border or not. I'm not really sure. I think there's a lot of commerce that goes across the border. So this location is quite busy with those types of things. Let me see. I'm gonna try to narrate what we're seeing, and I think these look a lot like the six-pack houses, but I don't think that they are, but they look kind of similar. Some nice restaurants in here. This one has steak. It's pretty good. Okay. So I'm pretty sure that the left is Aon Home neighborhood, and then these streets over here are Barrio de Era Preta. So we're going to see more Era Preta signs in this area, and I'm going to pinpoint one in a moment as soon as we get across. It's a Thai restaurant right there in the corner. That looks kind of cool. So this sign, you can see it says Era Preta. So these are Era Preta ones, and over there is Aon Home neighborhood. And I'm gonna capture this, oh, Phnom Penh. This is a Cambodian restaurant. Thought it was Thai. It's actually Cambodian. Huh. I wonder what time it closes. So yeah, right here, so it says Phnom Penh noodle soup. Cambodia. Wow. Okay, that's kind of cool. So we're gonna keep on going down our street in a moment, And then we also, in Macau, they also do a lot of street art as well. So that's an example of that, especially the electrical ones. This closes at 9 o'clock. I just saw the time. It's too bad. I'm looking for something that stays open late at night in Macau, like noodle shops and food and stuff like that. And there's very few. Here's a fish one. You can even put it on the scale as well, so you can weigh it. So you got a scale right there, and then you can get whatever you want. Okay, so we keep on strolling down. Here's a nice restaurant in here too. It says good luck stall. Baby dragon. It's actually the year of the dragon right now. 2024 is the year of the dragon. Bread, bakery, Snow White Cafe. Little stairwell. Look at all these pipes. Okay. So we are going to continue going down our Hipódromo, and I don't know, I think the street might actually end. So this is another Estrada street. Just kind of see. So we still have our street sign right there. It says Estrada, Marginal do Hipódromo, and then we're going to see if that street sign is also the same as well. Have to wait a little ways. So we actually have two streets we're going to try to cross to try to figure this out. But in the meanwhile, some nice looking streets everywhere. Okay. I think we're going to be able to go across any minute now. So once we go across, we can just angle over that way. I think we're going to get our chance in a moment here. I'm going to run across real quick. So actually this still is our street right here. So it actually does say Estrada Marginal do Hipódromo right there. So, and I'm going to go over to this side. I shouldn't run across that red light, but it's not good for the camera either to forever be stuck. So that's actually a street sign right there. We're going to keep on going. No, I probably have been on this street before, but I just don't always recognize it. It looks kind of familiar now. Like I filmed it not too long ago. There's a furniture store here. Yeah, I did film this actually. So I remember filming over here not too long ago. To Alegre. McDonald's over there. And I think our Marginal keeps on going down. And this is all the Estrada neighborhood over here. Let's see. And I think our Marginal Street will end up in this area. Yeah, that blue building kind of marks it. It's very visible from all over the city. Like if you're on hilltops, I mean. Like you'll see that sign, that blue building. And I know I've walked down it and I think I filmed it, but the street, I believe, ends right here. And it's a different street altogether down that way. Yeah, that building right there, that big blue one, is kind of famous because you can see it everywhere. And then this one right here is also quite interesting too. I've always wondered about the history of this one, and it's too bad it wasn't made a little bit better because you have all these circular windows, they're a little concave, but it's they're really small and they're kind of dirty. Looks more industrial, which is also too bad too, because that could be pretty interesting. Okay, so on that note, we're gonna end it. And that was our target street right here, this Marginal Hipódromo. So I'm gonna move over to the side right there.